Hi guys, welcome to my apartment. Come on in. So if you guys are new here, my name is Dems. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first video, welcome. Returning subscribers, welcome back to another video. Now, if you guys haven't been following my channel, let me just update you guys quickly. So my wife and I, we recently bought our house, which means that no more apartment living. But I've been living in this apartment for the past year, and I have not done an apartment tour. So that's what we're gonna do. All our furnitures are gone. We have paid for removal cleaners to come and pass through. So now we're gonna show you guys where we have been living for the past 2 years and tell you guys what was the cost. So guys, this is the front door right here. So as you come through the front door, you enter into this passageway right here. But most importantly, there's a door right here. Now this door leads you into the washroom. Now, this washroom is very spacious. So this is one of the things that caused us to fall in love with this apartment when we first saw it. So you have a dryer up top, front load, and you have a washer down bottom, top load. Not gonna lie, heavy duty, wash everything we put into it, been pretty reliable for the most part. You have 2 shelves that you can use to store your laundry detergent, your cleaning products, and stuff like that. So we found this to be very important. So this room was packed up with stuff up to yesterday. Now it's all empty. Turn off that light. Let's close up this door. Now we're gonna look to the right. Now we're still at the front entrance. Right here you have your jackets or coat closet, and you can keep your shoes right here. So of course we live in a cold country, we live in Canada, so you're gonna have shoes for different seasons. So you're gonna need to store away like your winter shoes in summer, fall shoes in winter, etc, etc. So this was very helpful for us to just put your shoes out of sight so that it's not really a eyesore for the park. Now it's pretty spacious. At the time it was just me, Nats, and our 2 kids. So we had enough space for all of us pretty much. So we stored some stuff up here and our jackets and our shoes. Not too bad. Right beside it, you have, this is my jacket, let me just take this down. Right beside it right here, you have another closet. But this closet, we actually used it for broom and like cleaning stuff, vacuum, kind of storage. So we call it a broom closet, right? So the store cleaning products, clothes, stuff, everything was kept right here. This is where we keep all of them things. I understand. Now it's just a placeholder for my jacket. Alright guys, we're chopping. No, sorry, we're cooking. We're going into the kitchen. Now, this is the kitchen. If you guys know me, I've never been a fan of white appliances. That's one of my biggest pet peeves. I don't like white fridge. I don't like white stove. Nats can tell you, I don't like it one bit. But because of the aesthetics of this apartment, I decided to make a compromise. And I decided that I was gonna go with it. So it's not that bad. So we have the fridge right here, which is a General Electric fridge. It's all empty now. I can show you guys inside. It's usually empty anyway. But anyways, not too spacious, but as I said, it was just my family. So we found it to be okay enough, right? We didn't need anything bigger. And that's the freezer. Not too bad. Now, let's look at the stove. Now, when you rent an apartment in Canada, it's usually, well, when you rent an apartment or when you buy a house for the most part, you get a fridge and a stove and a dishwasher in some cases, or a microwave. Now, we didn't get a microwave in this case, but we got a dishwasher. So this is what the stove is looking like. Now, as I said, this kind of stove, not my favorite. I don't like this kind of stove, but that's just me being picky, because when I was in Jamaica, if I had this, nobody could chat to me. But anyways, this is the stove. General Electric, nice oven. A lot of baking took place in this oven, and a lot of cooking took place on that stove. Then we have a decent amount of cupboard space, top and bottom. There's no pantry in this apartment, which wasn't very always convenient, but we made it work, right? So you have storage down bottom, all the way around. and you have storage up top, right? Now, let's face this way. Now you have the dishwasher. Now, if you guys are like me, we don't like wash plate every day. So this is a lifesaver sometimes. So this dishwasher, I don't remember, General Electric. And you have a two-sided sink, right? Decent covered space, not too bad. Nothing too fancy, but definitely not the worst, right? Now, let's face that way. Take a shot. Now, this is a view from the kitchen. Now, the kitchen is looking directly into the living room and the dining room. Pretty spacious, I'm not gonna lie. There are so many things that we were able to put into this space. Now, here I am, guys, coming to the living room. Come on. So, right here underneath this light, we had this section for our dining table, right here. All in one kind of space, but you know you set a thing where you want to set it. So we had our dining table right here. And then over to this side was where we had our couch and our TV stand and stuff like that. So this was pretty decent, right? You also have your heat vents right up in the corner right there of the roof. That's what caused us not to freeze in the winter time, right? Now, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. Now, master bedroom, another bedroom, and 2 bathrooms. Now, let's go into this passage. This is the first bedroom to your left. Let's go inside. Now, this bedroom is the spare bedroom. Now, it's not as spacious as the master bedroom, but you also get a somewhat walk-in closet, which is pretty spacious as well. It has a shoes rack inside and also 2 top shelves that you can keep additional stuff, right? Now, the space of this bedroom is not significantly great, but it is okay enough for a small family like myself. What do you guys think about this video so far? If you like it, don't hesitate to like the video, drop a comment, let me know what you think, and most importantly, subscribe and become a part of the family. You understand? The answer is massive. All right. Adjacent the first bedroom is the first bathroom. Now, this bathroom has a tub and shower, spacious bathtub. I find it to be very nice. You have a standard toilet, towel rack, and you have some cupboard spaces as well. Right here, you got. Stop it. This bathroom, it has a decent amount of storage that I find very, very convenient. You have drawers, and you have a cupboard underneath the sink, nice and spacious, and you also have a somewhat tall closet. You also have this tall closet, I'll call it, that you can store medication and stuff like that. Gone. Open. Nice. So this bathroom, we actually use this bathroom for the kids. They're the ones who had this bathroom first. This was their bathroom designated. But then of course my brother and my sister-in-law came, staying with us for a little while. So this became their bathroom. Right, I haven't been in this bathroom for a while actually. Okay, it's good to see that didn't destroy it. Now we're gonna go where the magic happens, guys. This bedroom is massive. This is such a massive bedroom. Look at the space in this bedroom. Look at this space. This is the master bedroom. This is where Nats and I slept. Well, sorry, this is where Nats and I and the kids slept because they won't leave us alone. In this bedroom, you have a ceiling fan, which is very important in the summertime because it gets really hot sometimes. But you have a gigantic walk-in closet as well. When you come here, you have a walk-in closet so big you could fit a bed in here, right? You have your racks, You can put your shoes, you can put your jackets, you can put your clothes, and all of the stuff that you want to just store away, you can keep into a closet like this. Really, really nice closet. I love this closet. And most importantly, disappear, right? Disappear. This bedroom also has an in-suite bathroom. So you don't have to go outside this way. When you're inside your room, you don't have to go outside, right? See that? Now we're inside the room. Let's go to the bathroom. Now this bathroom is a little bit bigger than the other bathroom, not significantly. It also has a similar tub, but a different type of shower. We find this shower very, very neat. Nice bath, standard toilet, a towel rack, and storage as usual. So the same storage that's in the other section is also over here. Nice storage. Right? And that's it, guys. This is our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in Grande Prairie, Alberta. We've been living here for the past year. We've never done an official tour, so we just wanted to do this video to show you guys what this apartment looks like. Now, what did this apartment cost us? Now, to rent this apartment, at the time, it was $1,400 per month, $1,400. Now, that may be cheap compared to some other provinces, but it might also be expensive compared to somewhere else. Now, in addition to that $1,400, we had to pay an additional $60 for underground parking, because it does come with underground parking capabilities. So in total, our rent was $1,460, and what was included was heat and water, which means that we didn't have to pay water and we didn't have to worry about heat. What we had to pay for ourselves, of course, was internet and power, which is light. So we had to pay our own light and internet. But heat and water was covered, which was good. What did it cost us in electricity? Probably an average of $150 per month when it was just not on myself, but when we had additional family members, it bumped over $200 a little bit. So that's a fair assessment for an apartment. Now, internet is a standard $80 per month. So in total, our bills for the month is usually $1,600 to $700 per month, not including groceries. That can be killer. All right, guys? Yes, guys, so there you have it. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the persons who are new to the family. I've been subscribing to the channel. We really appreciate you guys. If you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? If Canada is your goal, this is the channel that you want to be watching. We share all things Canada related from our experiences as well. So if you want to be a part of this journey, subscribe, like the video, of course, and drop a comment. Very, very important. All right, guys, thank you for sticking around, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. I'm going home.